Everyone, this is Emily with Canix's product team, and I'm excited to share some of the new functionality with Canix's new integration, ThoughtSpot. ThoughtSpot is replacing our old reporting, and you'll now see the reporting section has all reports listed here in one table. You can see under the tags filter or in the tags column the different product areas that used to be in the navigation menu to help you find what you might have been using in the past. If you are looking for a particular report and are having trouble finding it, you can select this option here in the banner announcing this new change, or in this Need Help button, which goes directly to the reporting section of the Help Center. That article here will show you all of the new functionality that I'll review today quickly, as well as the reporting tables that will report the old product, the old report name, as well as the new report, and it's also linked to help you get to it much faster. If there's anything that you haven't used in the past or anything that's new that didn't exist before, we take a look at some of these use cases because some of the points that it makes or some of the things that you can find in that report may help you find some new reports to analyze. As you go back to the reporting section, let's select Sales Overview, for example. You'll see that these dashboards have tabs now. So if the report or table that you're looking for doesn't exist currently, it may be on a different tab than the page that first loaded. Some other new functionality that you'll see is in filters. You do need to hit enter or return in order to view those. It's not going to come up just by typing. You'll also have some new functionality in the tables themselves. So for example, rather than the specific date being reported, you can group these by month or quarter or week, for example. And you do have some formatting options like how you want to visualize that text, wrapped or truncated. There are some new reporting types like these KPI reports, which will show you the trend increasing or decreasing for whatever is being reported there. In this particular report, it's analyzing the payments received over time, and in Q1, we saw a decrease in payments received. So if we select that, that will analyze why we saw the decrease and what contributed to it. And in this case, it'll start by facility name, but we can look at what customers or sales reps are contributing to that. These 4 facilities contributed the most, as it stated, and ThoughtSpot also provides some additional analysis here in the Insights section. All of these charts can download the underlying data, so if you want a full view of all of the data that's contributing to this table or that chart, you can download those individually, as well as download them as you had in the past based on those different types, PDF or Excel. There's also a new functionality for presentation mode, so this is helpful to be able to present each table or chart as its own slide if you wanted to create a custom dashboard for those different views or for specific meetings. With the custom reporting beta, if you do want access to that, you could reach out to our support team, and that would allow you to create similar dashboards or tables formatted however you want with different filters and different column names to make more sense for your business needs. It also allows you to add in formulas and calculations so that there's a little bit more flexibility to what you're driving, like things like sales rep commissions or anything like that that you want to calculate within the data itself. Lastly, all of these reports can be scheduled. We do recommend setting up these schedules ahead of time, like the inventory value report or the current package and plant reports for your point-in-time inventory, so that those can be delivered at the very end or beginning of the month before any changes were made. And those can also be scheduled as different formats so that you do have those Excel files, for example, to run your analysis on each month. The recipients don't have to be within Canix. You can add outside members like brands or sales reps or customers for sales menus. If you have any questions or any feedback as you use this, we'd love to hear from you. Please reach out to our support team for any help or any feedback so that we can continue to make improvements on this for you. And we're looking forward to seeing how this works out. Thank you.